So today I'm going to tell you how to make the Catwoman cycle, and you need two of like these wheels. See here, like two of these, and you need two of these wheel things. One diamond, if you can see, I can see through. It's kind of shiny, and one Catwoman head that has two sides. One whip that's pretty like fashion, and one body that is like that. And you need one cute mask of a kitten, and one pair of legs, and some like a thing on the top, and a spike thingy, and two things that you can clip like this, and one red thing button, and put it on the like a lightning shaped thing. So first we need to take this, you see, then we need to put the wheels on like that, and you really need this like motorcycle thing. Then you do this, so you put it on like that, and you do that, and you put this eventually on here, and there's two of these, and there's one, this is like for a light or something. Yeah, just gonna put it on now, so there, and there's another one, and this is the one you put in front, really front place, and this is where you put another light, and eventually got her, and then we put the whip here, the big whip, and then you make the Catwoman, so then you put her body on. Eventually you can put it on like that, but here that's the cool side with the glasses. You can see her. And you put the diamond on her and her mask. Thank you for watching.